In a fresh round of escalation, the US struck over 80 targets inside Iran overnight after accusing Tehran of attacking 3 commercial ships in the Strait of Hormuz. Iran has not claimed responsibility for Tuesday's attacks on a Saudi oil tanker and a Qatari liquefied natural gas carrier near the coast of Oman. Washington said it hit air defense systems, radars, and more than 60 small boats used by Iran, which are described as harassing commercial ships in the region. Iran retaliated swiftly, saying it hit 85 key US military facilities in Bahrain and Kuwait with missiles and drones. Missile alerts were sounded in both the Gulf states on Wednesday morning. The tit-for-tat strikes came amid the ongoing state funeral of Iran's late supreme leader Ayatollah Khamenei as the funeral procession continued its journey towards Iraq on Wednesday. The state funeral is scheduled to conclude on Thursday. Earlier on Tuesday, the Trump administration also revoked a waiver allowing the sale of Iranian oil following the attacks on the ships. The latest exchange risks widening the conflict across the Gulf, raising concerns whether the war has entered a fresh, more dangerous phase.